Thanks for taking out the Sony Handycam HDR CX675 from Brown University's IT Service Center. This camera and many other items are available on the 5th floor of Page Robinson at no cost to Brown students or members of the Brown community. This Sony Handycam in particular has some amazing stabilization technology. It's definitely worth checking out. So let's learn how to use it. Here's everything you need to know about the Sony Handycam HDR CX675. We're going to learn how to use the battery, how to shoot video, look at some advanced tips and tricks, and then learn how to get video from the camcorder to our computer or mobile phone. Before you start taking a video, make sure your camera has a full battery. To charge it, use the USB cable out of the wrist strap, turn on your computer, and plug in the camcorder. This camcorder works with both PC and Mac. If your Mac doesn't have a USB port, check out a USB to Lightning cable from the ITSC Service Center. You can also plug your camera into an AC adapter and extension cable, both included in the kit. You'll know your camera is charging if the orange light turns on. The light will turn off when the battery is full. Make sure the camcorder isn't plugged into anything. Rest the battery a half a centimeter from the top. Press down and slide up. Open the monitor and the camera should turn on automatically. If it doesn't, press the power button on the left. Your Sony Handycam comes with a micro SD card, so there's plenty of storage on board for your shoot. With our recommended settings, you should get about 2.5 hours worth of footage. Next, let's return the camera to the recommended default state. Press Menu in the top right corner. Select Image Quality Size, then File Format, then AVC HD. For frame rate, select 30p. Set dual video recording to off. Select camera/mic. In white balance, choose WB Auto on the left. Go back to the main menu and press camera mic. Now, make sure that all of the settings below match ours. Pause this video to make sure your settings are the same. For the best audio, use the Rode microphone included in the kit. To make sure you have as much storage space as possible, format the memory card before your shoot. This will delete every video on the card, so don't do this unless you already transferred your old videos off the camcorder. To wipe the storage clean, press Menu, then Setup, then Format, then Memory Card. Then, to make sure that you're recording onto the memory card itself, choose Menu, then Setup, Media Select, and then choose Memory Card. Press the Record button to start. You'll see a red REC at the top of the screen. Press the Record button again to stop. Zoom out by pushing to the left and zoom in to the right. If you want to reduce the volume of whoever's behind the camcorder, press the My Voice Canceling button. To review your shots, press the play button. Return to the recording mode by pressing play again. Once you're done recording, plug the camcorder into your computer's USB port. This will work on both PCs and Macs. Use the included USB extension cable if the one included is too short. Your computer won't recognize the camcorder unless the camcorder is turned on, so once it's plugged in, open the monitor and turn the camera on. This camera has a ton of other cool features, like the ability to use your phone as a remote control to record video and zoom in and out from far away. Learn more about this here. Thanks for watching, and remember, The entire Brown community has access to this camcorder and tons of other equipment, like microphones, cameras, and other media resources. To learn more about this camcorder and everything else we have to offer, visit brown.edu/go/mml.